Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to give you a lesson on the topic, the simplest geometric shapes on a plane. We can find the simplest geometric shapes anywhere, whether in nature, in everyday life, or in architecture. And in this video lesson, you will learn which geometric shapes we call the simplest. First of all, it's a plane. What is a plane? A plane is one of the basic geometric shapes. The easiest way to imagine a plane is to look at a table or a sheet of paper. That is, it is a flat, smooth surface. A plane in geometry is flat, unbounded, and has no thickness. Points are indicated by capital Latin letters A, B, C, D, E, F. So a line is an infinite straight path that has no beginning and no end. Lines are usually denoted by lowercase Latin letters A, B. In this case, only part of the line is depicted in the figure, and the entire line is considered infinite in both directions. Points can lie on a line, or we can also say that a line passes through points. Let's draw a line A and mark the points A and B that lie on the line. The line passes through these points as well as the point C that does not lie on the line A. Often, an abbreviated notation is used. This symbol means belongs. That is, we can write A belongs to A, B belongs to A. And the other symbol means does not belong. That is, we can write C doesn't belongs to A. Whatever the line, there are points that belong to this line and points that do not belong to it. Let's find out the axiom of planimetry. Through 2 points, only one straight line can be drawn, and through 1 point, many straight lines can be drawn. You see, a line divides a plane into 2 halves. They are called half planes. This can be compared to cutting a cake into 2 pieces. Another axiom of planimetry, through 2 intersecting lines, a plane can be drawn, and only one. You see, line A intersect line B, and in this case, we can draw a plane. And the last axiom for today, only one plane can be drawn through 3 points that do not lie in the same plane. You see 3 points A, B, C, and they lie in the same plane. A ray is a part of a line that has a starting point but no end. Let's draw a line A and mark the point A on it. This point divides the line into 2 parts, each of which, together with the point A, is called a ray emanating from the point A. For convenience, we will highlight them in different colors. Point A is called the beginning of each ray. Rays are denoted by 2 capital Latin letters, the first of which is the beginning of the ray, and the second is an arbitrary point located on the ray. Let's demonstrate the ray AB. If 2 rays have a common beginning and form a line, then they are called complementary. For example, rays AB and AC have a common beginning at point A and form a line. They will be complementary. A line segment is a part of a line that has both a starting point and an end point. We draw a line A and place points A and B. After that, we will get a segment AB, which we will highlight in red. Each segment has a length greater than 0. The length of a segment is also called the distance between its ends. A broken line, or polygonal chain, is a line made up of several connected line segments. Several points that are sequentially connected to each other but do not form a closed figure and do not lie on the same straight line form a figure called a polyline. The points are called the vertices of the polyline, and the segments that connect them are called the links of the polyline. Let's close this polyline and remember what a perimeter is. The perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So in our case, the perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D. So if you understood everything today, I would give you a Rolls-Royce Ghost as a gift. If you are worried or excited because you did not understand something, no problem. Watch this video again slowly. Never give up, and I wish you to understand it as soon as possible. Bye.